1.2 read as follows. Solve for x and y simultaneously. So they want you to solve x and y simultaneously, which is now, what do you have? You have 2x minus y is equal to 2. And xy is equal to 4. They want you to solve x and y simultaneously. So what I always look for here, I always look for the simplest equation, So the simplest equation is this one. So from the simplest equation, make x or y the substitute of the formula, whatever that you find easier to do. So in this case, y is the one that can easily make the substitute of the formula because it doesn't have any big coefficient. This coefficient is 1. So I can transpose y to the other side, right? So what I'm going to do, from this equation here, I'm going to transpose y to this side and 2 to this side, right? So I will have 2x, then transpose the 2 to this side, minus 2 is equal to, this y was negative, it will be positive on that side. So I'll have y equal to that. So this equation and this equation are the same, but I just arranged them. That's what I did. Now that I've arranged this equation, I'm going to substitute this first equation on this one. Because I call it the first equation because it's a rearranged version of that. It's not a new equation, it's the same one, but I've just rearranged it, right? So I'm going to substitute this first equation of mine on this second one, which means now I have my x, which is this, and y. My y now is this part. So when I see y on this equation, I'm going to substitute this because I said this is equivalent to y. So I have 2x minus 2 is equal to y. Sorry, it's equal to 4. It's equal to 4. What do I have? I have 2x squared minus 2x is equal to 4, right? I have 2x squared minus 2x is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. I transpose the 4 to this side. So I can divide by 2. Divide by 2. What do I have? I have x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Factorize this. X here, 2, 1, minus plus. So what do I have? And x is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1. So now that I've got the x values, I want to find the corresponding y values, right? So if my x is equal to 2, my y is equal to 2 times x, which is 2, minus 2, which is equal to, this is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So my coordinates will be 2 and 2. My corresponding x and y, x and this corresponding y value. But if my x is equal to minus 1, my y is equal to 2 into minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2, this is minus 4. So my corresponding x and y values is minus 1 and minus 4. These are my coordinates. So I've solved the x and y simultaneously. I hope this is what they're asking for.